Okay, I got this skid steer loader, all the hoses taken out, organized, ready to get replaced and repaired. Got right, left, the center box. So hallelujah. That was takes a long time to do it, so when I'm in here I'm taking everything that's almost leaking or just seeping a bit, it's coming right out. So you don't want to replace one and have to come back in here, especially when you have already done it before. I'm gonna go underneath here, scrape off the opening here. Some hoses there. I have to take a look at those. This rad might have to come out, but we'll see. Then next I'll have to put the hydraulic filter in, the new one. This thing is broken. That could be replaced. It's a lock. The turbo, I have to check if it's leaking oil, because it smokes when you turn it on. So that can be the turbo turbine that spins. It's got a seal. If it's leaking, it can dump out, and then when you turn it on, all that oil will start burning off inside the exhaust pipe. So just gotta pop that open and take a look, see if that's the issue. I got a excavator out here. Got the top lifted off. Have to take off this cylinder end here. See, this is bad a bit, but it should be okay. Scratches. Gotta pop this off. Got the spanner tool. Hoses like this. See, I replaced the other side already, so that's the next thing that'll leak is the old one there. So that could be replaced, that one there. And then there's another one. This is leaking here real bad. It's dripping. I'll take that one off, and then up here there's this one here. You can see it's leaking behind this cover. They start getting rusted out underneath that rubber that they put on. So I've got to replace that too. And then I'll have to take a look at what's going on with the swivel here and the thumb. There's a couple lines under here that have to be replaced. There's at least one back here going to the motor. The hydraulic pump, you can see these ones are wet, starting to seep. Just replace those. Got some wetness around here too. Foot thing here is supposed to be controlled by this cable right here, so it's supposed to go forward or backwards. Something's going on with it. Maybe the cable or to turn the boom left and right. And the other thing is there's a couple of wires. Oh, that's the issue on this one. So this solenoid, the wire's broken off there. I have to try and pull that back and solder it, or... Okay, this is what happened. See it push down here. This piece of junk that broke off. Destroyed the wire, pulled it out. And just get rid of that. Cut these things off. Because you don't want to be going around on a start of a job and fixing stuff like this starter. Started this job, and when I got there it wouldn't turn on, so I had to drive a couple hours, get the starter, and start the job all on the same day. Valve cover's leaking a little bit on this thing too. Might be leaking there a bit. It's really cool. It's slowly going. There's a slow cool. Might be the other than that, on this thing, the seat on it is. The screw sticking up here. Bottom part is bad. The top part's not too bad. I could try and take it off and put foam on it and cover it up. Okay, well, that's that issue is fixed on this one. It's only the foot control there. So go right, but it won't go back. So I gotta check. Something might be seized up there. Should have a couple pairs of eyes looking at this thing. Okay, I think I see what's going on. That's just angling up. I'm gonna leave the camera here, but let's see what it looks like. See right there. Just angling up instead of sliding. So it gets water in there. Starts seizing. So, if I can hang this here, take a look at what's going on. Okay, there we go. I felt that. Now it's just broken. Try and take that off and weld it or something. That's that problem. Check if this is gonna slide through proper. What's going on here? This thing pulls out enough, pushes in. I don't know what's gonna do. It's gonna push in. have to pop that pin out and bring it out here and weld it up. Try and loosen it up. Horn, it's got a horn there. It's not working. This one needs a horn and the other one doesn't need it. Found this door too. It could be replaced, the glass, but this hinge doesn't work anyways. It's mainly for when it rains. Like that window too, in the back. Plexiglass, I'm gonna try and fix that or something. Keep the inside dry. Stuff like this kind of happens. On this track,